Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is episode number 33 of our LeetCode series, and today we are solving LeetCode problem number 724. Find pivot index. This is very interesting prefix sum problem, so let's solve step by step in CPP. So let's see this question first. In this question, it is given an array of integer nums. Calculate the pivot indexes of this array. The pivot indexes is the indexes where the sum of all the numbers strictly to the left of the index is equals to the sum of all the numbers strictly indexes right to the right. If the index is on the left edge of the array, then the left sum is 0 because there are no element to the left. This also applies to the right edge of the array. Return the leftmost pivot indexes. If no such indexes exist, return -1. As you can see in example number 1, input is given 173656. The output is 3. Explanation: the pivot index is 3. Left sum is equals to num0, num1 and num2, means 1, 7, 3, it is 11, and right sum is 4 plus 5, means 5 plus 6, it will be equals to 11. Okay, so our pivot index that 3, so output is 3. In example number 2, it is given nums equals to 1, 2, 3 and output is -1. There is no indexes that satisfies the condition in the problem statement. Just like that, in example number 3, it is given 2, 1, -1. Output is 0. The pivot index is 0. Why? Because left sum equals to 0. No element to the left of the index 0. And right sum equals to nums of first index and nums of 2 index, which will be equals to 1 plus of -1, which will be equals to a 0. So basically in this question we are given an array, a pivot index. We need to find pivot index. A pivot index means sum of element on left side equals to sum of element on right side. We need to return that pivot index. So what logic we are going to use over here is, first find total of array, total sum of array, and then we will be traversing the array. At every indexes, remove current element from the right sum and compare left sum and the right sum. If both gets equal, that index is our pivot indexes. Okay, so let's write the code for it first by creating, for that we need to create one integer in which we will be storing the total. So let's keep its name as total only. Okay, after that we are going to run for loop of integer x, which will be gonna check nums. Okay, and inside that we are going to write total, sorry, in the small total, and in this total we are going to which will be like plus or equals to of x. Okay, so this is our condition in the first for loop, and now we are going to come out of the first for loop and make an integer, and let's keep the name as left sum, which will be again equals to 0, a semicolon. And now we are going to make another for loop. Inside that, int I will be equals to 0, and I will be less than nums dot size. I will be less than nums dot size, and at last we are going to incrementing the count of I plus plus plus. Okay, so in this for loop we are going to write a total will be equals to total of negative minus of let's say nums of I. So this is the first thing we will do, and now we are going to check the if condition inside this, and in that we will be writing if left sum is equals to total, left sum is equals to total. Then what we need to do is we need to return I. Okay, after returning the I, we are going to write left sum plus or equals to nums of I. Okay, and now we are going to at last return the -1. Okay, we are going to return -1. So this is our code. It is quietly longer, so let's check our logic and approach if the cases have been accepted or not. Yeah, as you can see, our 3 of the cases has been accepted, so our code and logic for this question is completely correct. Let's submit the code. I have clicked on submit. It is taking a bit long. Yeah, it's getting judged. Yeah, as you can see, our code has been successfully submitted. So yeah, that's it for today's problem. If you enjoyed the video, then make sure to like, subscribe and share with your friends, and don't forget to comment which LeetCode problem should I solve next. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode. Till then, take care. Bye bye.